y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ebony Nicole, back again with another video. As you seen by the title, y'all, it has been a long time since we've had a cooking with Eb, and I do apologize. Somebody actually texted me and was like, so when is there gonna be another cooking with Eb? And I'm just like, OMG, y'all really be out here just, well, that was one person, but somebody is interested in my little cooking videos. OMG. So yes, now we have a cooking with Eb today. I am going to be using my good old air fryer, y'all. So my mom got me an air fryer back, I want to say at the end of March, April, and I waited like so long to open it because I didn't know what I was going to do with it. Well, I did know what I was going to do with it, but I didn't know what I was going to do with it. So I eventually started using it, I want to say probably about 2 months ago. I made some salmon. I feel like I haven't cooked anything really like but salmon. So yes, today we're going to do some air fryer chicken with some cauliflower mashed potatoes and some broccoli. This is really very much a quick and easy meal to do if you do have an air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can obviously opt to bake the chicken instead. And then yeah, so I say it's quick and easy because the cauliflower mashed potatoes are already made. So I was on a little binge, or a little time in my life when I was doing keto, and one of my co-workers at the time put me on to cauliflower mashed potatoes. Basically, it's like, if you love the starchiness or like the taste of mashed potatoes, you can just do these. I want to eventually learn how to make them, but until then it's gonna be these. And the sour cream and chives, they come in original. And yeah, when I tell y'all, those they're so good. They are so good. Yes, it's not an acquired taste, but like it tastes good. It's not like a too off taste, like to where it's just like, ew, like these are nasty. Like they taste very good. And it's basically a vegetable. So I mean, wow, you can get 2 vegetables in a meal. Like, come on now. And I put the cauliflower mashed potatoes into the oven so they can go ahead and cook. It takes between 45 to 50 minutes for them to cook. So the next clip, I'll just be cleaning the chicken, and I'll probably do like a little voice over. Clean the chicken, season the chicken, and then we'll get into the air fryer. So I'm using some black pepper, ground cumin, some Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning, cayenne pepper, and the Kinder's brown sugar. Whew, I'm about to start yawning. Ooh. So off camera, I had forgot to record it. I had something happen with my camera, and then it went off, but everything's fine. It's okay. I did open up the chicken here, and I just rinsed it off with some water. I got off the excess skin and fat that I did not want. And then off camera, I did let them soak in a vinegar bath, just a little bit of white vinegar and some cold water, and just let them do a little bath of that. And then yeah, so once I cut them off, I went ahead and put them in a small little bath of vinegar and water, and then let that be that. I really hate touching chicken, but ooh, the job got to get done, honey. So we're gonna do what we do and do it again. What? Anyway, so you want to make sure that your chicken is patted. What am I saying? I don't know what's going on today. You want to make sure that it's patted dry. And then for the seasoning, I just went ahead and put 2 in the bag, skin side up, and then the other 2 were skin side down, up as well. And just in the bag, I did the same seasoning, and then I went ahead, I don't know why I forgot the other seasoning for those 2. Okay, there we go. Pick it back up, girl. Get right. So I went ahead and seasoned all of the chicken, then put it in the bag with some extra virgin olive oil, and then just shook the bag up, and got everything really coated, really good. You can season it however you like. You can use some of the seasonings that I use just to kind of see what it gave, or be creative. Like, there's so many different types of chicken recipes out there, or like seasonings that you can use. Like, it's whatever you want to do. You can use just salt and pepper if you like to. I mean, it's whatever you prefer. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the other pieces in the bag, smush out all the air. And then, oh yeah, my bad, I'm sorry, I shook them around first, and then I put the oil in, and then I shook it around again for one last go around before we put it in the air fryer. And like I said, you can find those cauliflower mashed potatoes at like Walmart, your grocery store, anywhere that sells food or groceries in the frozen aisle. So yeah, shake them up again. So I'm gonna get the air fryer. I think I might have started the air fryer up for like I put on maybe like 5 minutes, and then I went ahead just to get it warmed up, and then just put them in the air fryer. As you can see, mine is so small. I do love it though, because it's, you know, just me that I'm cooking for the most part, so it's not that big of a deal. So I'm gonna put them on 375 for I think about 15 minutes for the skin side up, and then I'm going to flip them, put the skin down, and then do another 15 minutes, and then voila. So y'all, here are the final results. Chicken looks good, potatoes look good. You can't even tell that they're cauliflower mashed potatoes. Ooh, let me put y'all on game. Everything looks so good. It's time for the taste test. All right, so What was hot, girl? It was hot. Mashed potatoes first, then a piece of broccoli, then a piece of chicken. All I got to say is, get you an air fryer. Get you an air fryer. I think mine was like $50, and it's a smaller one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave me down some recipes or some other type of dishes to make. Like I said, this is a quick and easy meal. Really, the only thing that takes the longest to cook is the cauliflower mashed potatoes because they're frozen. But other than that, everything is pretty much steam the broccoli, put the chicken in the air fryer. Depending on how big the chicken is, do 10 to 20 minutes on one side, skin side down, and then flip it, and then do 10 to 15 minutes on the other side, and then you're done, and it's good to go. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.